Hey YouTube, Alyssa Forever here. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup when I'm on the go. I've been out and about and I just don't have time to go back home, do my whole makeup. So I brought my makeup with me so I can do it in the car. I partnered up with Rimmel to try their new Lasting Finish 25-hour Breathable Foundation and Concealer. So I'm just going to jump right in. I'm going to be using the Lasting Finish Breathable Primer. This pairs really well with the foundation. I always apply my foundation with the beauty blender, and so I don't have a damp one. It's just dry right now. Fortunately, I have this little small bottle of water in the car and I can just kind of dampen the beauty blender. Let's see if this works. Ooh. So now I can jump right into doing the foundation. One thing that I've noticed that's unique about this foundation is that it has this doe foot applicator. And I think this is awesome, especially for when you're on the go and you just don't have time to be making messes on the back of your hand. And, you know, you can just apply it straight to your face. Another thing that makes this foundation really good for on the go situations, kind of like neutral makeup days when you're not really doing a full beat, is that it's light to medium coverage. So you could have a really light layer or you can build it up. The color I'm using today is 400 Natural Beige. This is the season where I'm my palest, so this looks a little dark for me, but they have 16 different shades, so I'll be able to find my color. A few things to note about this foundation: it's long wearing, it's breathable, it's moisturizing. You're gonna be able to wear this for 25 hours and still look great. What more can you ask, especially when it's like a drugstore foundation? It's affordable and it's long wearing. That's actually crazy. I always have to be extra, so as you can see, I'm building this up. Let's just see what it looks like built up a little bit more for more medium coverage. I feel like this foundation just changed my whole life. I went from looking pale and sickly to looking nice and flawless and even toned and healthy. And so now I can move on to the concealer. This concealer goes hand in hand with the foundation. It's also called Lasting Finish 25-hour Breathable. This is in the color 200 Light, and it has this cute little sponge applicator tip. Makes it really easy to apply it. You can also probably blend your makeup out with this, because I don't want to put too much concealer on since we're doing just like a natural makeup look. Nothing too serious today. I just want to get these little dark circles covered up because I've had a long day. I'm tired. I haven't got much sleep lately. Been working hard. And this concealer just covers it right on up. Wow. This concealer is also medium coverage, so that's perfect, especially if you have super dark circles. Put some down here. Down my nose. Ooh. This makes like my nose highlight a little bit easier to do, because sometimes I put a little too much highlight on my nose. But with this applicator, it makes it easier to just use a little bit of the product. Not only is it long wearing, but the product's gonna last you because you're not gonna be using a bunch of it. A little bit goes a long way. If you wanna check out any of the products I'm using today, I'm gonna put them in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. My face is looking super flawless now. I feel like that changed everything. I look healthy, I look awake, and I look like when I talk to somebody, they're not gonna be like, "You feeling okay, sweetie?" Because people do say that. So just as I was finishing my concealer, my camera died, which is really frustrating, and I'm this close to crying about it. But I'm gonna make the best out of a very frustrating and inconvenient situation by using my phone and continuing on. So the next thing I want to do is to kind of set everything in place, because I do have oily skin, so my makeup always gets super shiny. So I want to make sure to set it in place so we kind of stay matte. So I'm gonna be using this Insta Fix and Matte. This is a translucent powder, and I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and dip it in there. But first, let me make sure I ain't got no creasing under my eyes. So I'm trying to do my makeup kind of fast today because the car's running. It's cold out. I can't turn the car off or I'm gonna be freezing. So I'm trying to like do my makeup fast so I don't have to keep the car on for the whole day, basically. But the nice thing is that Rimmel makes it really easy for you to do your makeup on the go. They have all the products to do any type of look that you want. Like for example, right now I'm just doing like a natural everyday kind of look. And they also have things that can help you transition from your everyday look to a night glam. Simple, easy, throw it in the bag. I like that their translucent powder isn't loose, so I'm not like making a mess here in the car. This just makes it really simple for on the go situations. So now I want to add some bronzer around my face, and I'm going to be using this sculpting palette. This is the golden bronze palette, so it's the darkest one, and I'm just going to use this middle color. Slap it on there. Alyssa actually taught me that. She was like, if you want to just do a quick little nose contour, just go put some on the brush and go. And that's what I just did, so thank you, Alyssa. I'm almost thinking that car lighting is the best lighting, because I'm looking snatched. Now I'm gonna go through and add some highlight, my favorite part. And this sculpting palette also has the highlighter up here. So I'm just gonna use my finger, start with my nose. That. Ooh. I like putting it down in the inner corners of my eyes right here. See, it just gives it a different look, more open-eyed. I just want to look glowy. That's just my whole thing. I want my skin to look flawless and all one color and even. And I also want to just be glowing. So that's what I'm accomplishing today. Like, my foundation is looking bomb. This highlighter giving me that glow. I'm loving it. I'm going to take some of this Scandalized mascara and put this on my lower lashes. I can't believe how quickly I just did my makeup. I never do it this fast, but I think that the lighting in the car was so good, the Rimmel products went on so smooth that it just made it easy. Because now I'm just gonna finish the look off with a lip. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this Rimmel Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner. This is in the color Epic. It's pretty much the same color as my lips. That's what I like about it, because I can overline them a little bit. I'm gonna take this Stay Gloss, this is clear, and put this on next, and then add on a color on top. It's called Stay My Rose. Putting the clear down first just makes it more glossy looking. Wow, that was a quick and easy makeup look, and I look really put together. I can go talk to people and feel confident and feel like they're not looking at me like I'm sickly. Try to give you guys some up close looks at my makeup, different angles. I think it looks really good. Wow. So this is the most affordable, quickest makeup look I've ever done. And I love the way that it turned out, actually. You just never know how anything's gonna turn out until you try it, and I'm glad that I tried this. So this pretty much wraps up my on-the-go makeup look in the car. Once again, I'm putting all the products in the description box so you'll be able to shop everything that I used today. And while we're at it, we should turn this into a challenge. Where do you do your makeup when you're on the go? Is it a gas station bathroom? On an airplane? Have you done your makeup in the car before? Use the hashtag OnTheGoAF on Instagram to show me where you do your makeup on the go. If you're on Instagram and use the hashtag OnTheGoAF, the AF is for Alyssa Forever, by the way, and you show me a video or a picture of you doing your makeup outside of the norm, outside of your house, where is that? Whoever has like the best place they do it or the funniest will be featured in my next makeup video. Ooh! Anyway, so let me know if you guys like spur of the moment type videos like this where I just pull over in a parking lot and start doing my makeup and filming it. I hope you guys found this video to be enjoyable. I hope you learned about some new products that you're gonna try out. And I hope that you participate in my challenge on the Go AF. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.